Hey comrades, today we're doing another unboxing video. As you can see the title, some more French items. So first thing I want to say is that sorry for 2 weeks of no videos. I had some shipping delays. I'm getting some more stuff this month too, but 2 weeks later and it's finally arrived. So yeah, let's open this. Pretty excited. Alright. Here and over there. Alright. So here we have 2 French ammo pouches. 1915 model. So it's closer up here in a second. Yeah, I'll show you guys in close up here in a moment. Alright, the boots. So alright. These are French World War boots. All I do is just blast them, which I'll do another video about that. That's a pretty good condition. Pretty sturdy. Very sturdy, actually. Wow. Size 42. Hobnails. Alright. I'll bring the camera closer now. Alright, here's the boots close up. It's okay. Some more back. Some restrictions in there. Yeah, care maintenance. Alright. Hobnails. Pretty neat. Check out these ammo pouches. Looks like a belt loop right here. Pretty tight, actually. Alright, let's look inside of it. Get some stamps. Paris. Nest of. Interior. Alright. So I can close this pack up. There we go. Kind of. There we go. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. Pretty short video. Some game announcement here. And putting in the hobnails is okay. Very sturdy. Can't bend it at all. So yeah, very nice quality. I like it. Look inside. Alright. Alright, so yeah. So what we'll be doing now, we're making about 3 more videos this month. Boot signing, creating French Army collar tabs, What else? How to say, yeah. We're not going to see the historical locations this month due to Corona stuff. Me needing to get a vaccine, which I'm still on the waiting list for. Um, yeah. So that'll be it for today, guys. I'll be releasing another video this week, so stay tuned for that. Probably this weekend. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you saw, like, comment, subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. So, yeah. You guys like my uniform too. French Army, World War II. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. So, bye.